auto-scheduling a meeting. That is what this video is about. But first, a like and subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with everyone you know. Yes, we all have appointments or meetings that we want to have several dates, and we have to say, okay, which date would prefer you? And if you are with a large group, then it's extra difficult. Well, in Holland we got a datumprikker.nl, or oftewel datumprikker.nl, which is quite easy, but within Microsoft 365 and Outlook, you also have an option now to create a meeting directly from within Outlook. Previously, you also had Find Time, which was an add-on which not all companies had. So how does this work? I'm going to show you here. We are already in Outlook, Outlook on the web in this case. We click on a new event, and here we say, okay, the title of our meeting. Let's call it Demo Afternoon. We are going to invite Debbie, Naomi, and I'm going to invite BA at kbworks.nl, which is an external. Now I directly see in my calendar that Debbie has no time, but let's skip this part because this is only internal and still it's only one time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the scheduling poll, and what you see, it's opening on the right hand side, and here you can say, okay, during meeting hours, how long the duration of your meeting should be, which date, so for me it's today, and then you see which times are available, at least internally. So I can create a poll and say, okay, I want these times that are 3, and I also see when people cannot join the meeting. That's one. Then we click on next, and if we click on next, we can add a location. For example, Arifana, Portugal. And it's a Teams meeting. I can change the poll settings, so I can say, okay, schedule automatically when everybody has a consensus. Hold selected times in the calendar so nobody can book on that time. Notify me about poll updates. So whenever somebody changes something, I get a poll update. Require attendees to verify their identity to know that you are that they are who they are, and lock poll for attendees. What this means is that you cannot add any times to the polls. So I will show you what happens now. So I create a poll. What happens, it automatically generates a new email, and you can see that the yellow one is an external, and you directly see, okay, this is the poll, and I can vote on this. So I'm going to send this, and in the background my calendar closed, and you directly see that I have 3 holds in my calendar for this afternoon. Now I'm going to let's go to Debbie, who is saying, okay, I see them also, they are directly tentative. So I will open her email, and let's see, and let's vote. If we open it, then we can say, okay, this may be not that good, this is good, and this is okay. So, okay, I will vote for this. So that's the vote of Debbie. Let's close her browser. Let's go to Naomi. Naomi has the same vote, so she can also vote. And she is in a different time zone. So she can say, okay, yes, I prefer this. Yes, that's so fine. No. And she wants to propose a different time. So she's going to propose, let's say, 7 in the morning for her. So I'm going to done. Okay. Now, as you noticed at Debbie's place, there was no time available in her zone. So here you see another tentative because Naomi sent an invite. Let's see how this looks. So first we get Debbie demo, who is scheduled. Then we get another time from the voting. There's a new time, 1600 hours. But as you noticed, Debbie cannot be attending. And let's go first to the external. Let's go to Paul or to the BA account. Also, we can vote here. And here I see that I can schedule. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I prefer. And no, I cannot. I directly also see what other votes are. So I'm going to vote. And it's all submitted. Now, when we go back to poll, we directly see that there has been a new vote. And I can see that there are 2 preferables on this time. If they were all preferable, then I would automatically be generated. So let's see what it has done in my calendar so far. If I go to the 27th, it's loading. Then I still see the holds because not all are preferred. So I'm going to schedule and I'm going to say, okay, let's schedule this meeting for today at 5:30. And then I'm going to send it. And let's go here. We want to have this one, schedule meeting, and send it. If I go back to the calendar now, you will, if I refresh it, you already saw it, but the holds are gone and everybody got an invite for the calendar to RSVP. So let's go to Naomi and let's say, okay, I want to attend. And Debbie, let's see, RSVP. Yes, I also want to attend. This is Naomi, by the way. So now we see that everybody has accepted, except the external. And I'm going to say, no, I'm not going to attend because I cannot. And now you see that all votes are in, it's all planned, and everything has come together. So I'm curious, did you know about this functionality? Are you going to use it with your team or with your sports group? I think it's really nice to have it, and I think you should use it if you have Office 365. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and tell about this video to everyone. All right, thank you. See you next time.